start again. It's a redskin.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones and I'm back again with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Outre Bahamas curl. And this is what it looks like right here. If you're interested in checking out the install video, I'll leave a link down below and you can just go a video or two back and then you can catch it like that. So my name is Alicia Jones. If you're new here, I do crochet videos and a lot of hair tutorials on here, and I throw some travel videos in there here and there and a couple fashion videos. So if those are some videos that you are interested in seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This is Outre's Bahamas curl. I use 5 packs in the color number 2, and this is 14 inches and it was $5.99 a pack. I used 5 packs. So I'm really not a 12-inch or 14-inch girly. I really like 18 to 22-inch crochet hair when I do this kind of style or any kind of crochet style. I really like longer hair. The thing about it is shorter hair lasts longer. So that's just the way it is. So if it was longer, it probably wouldn't have lasted as long as it did. So the packaging comes like this. This is what the packaging comes like. Real simple, cute packaging. Her hair is lovely on this packaging. I don't have that much hair left. I used almost all of the hair left. Like I said, you gotta go to my install video so you can see like how the hair was set up and everything like that. This is all I got left, y'all. One strand. So this is the one little strand. The way that the hair was set up was amazing. It was pre-looped hair that came with a rubber band, and 4 strands of hair was on that loop. So simple, so easy. I love this install. I love this install because my hair, it does not slip and slide on the braid, because the rubber band, I would slide it up and there you go. So this hair, I like this hair. I've tried many of crochet hairs. I've tried Outre, I've tried Lulu Tress, which is by Sensational. I tried Free Tress, which is my favorite. I tried Model, and there was one more that I tried, Made Beauty. I tried that as well. I've tried that one crochet hair, I forgot, but their hair comes from England. It's my least favorite crochet hair to try. No shade, I just don't like it. But this hair, I think because of the length, it was very manageable. It was very easy to detangle, very easy to upkeep with the maintenance. You know what I'm saying? It didn't take me that long. Like some crochet hairs I've tried, I'd be spinning. Like, I gotta sit down, throw on something, and detangle and do all that. This time I didn't have to do that. It literally didn't take me long at all. I would say if I went a couple days without doing it, I would say it probably took me 20 minutes. So my crochet routine is very simple. I just go in, cut all the matted hairs out and stuff like that, and then guys, I'm back. Kids was running down the steps and I'm like, I'm doing a video. But yeah, so I just go in with my Lotta Body. Love Lotta Body. Is one of my favorite mousses to use when I'm doing my crochet hair maintenance. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. It's worn, but I could get another good 2 weeks out of this hair. I'm just ready to take it down because I don't like when my hair gets to looking like this and the edge control ain't doing what it's supposed to be doing. Like, it'll slick down this part, but up here it don't be working. So that's why I'm taking it down. And y'all know, if you've been following me for a while, I don't rock a hairstyle for a long time anyway. I change my hair up a lot, unless I'm sick. Like, if I'm sick, then I gotta keep it in, because who feel like doing their hair when they sick? Not me. But this is what the hair looks like. I did cut it a little bit. I want to say it ended like right here, and I cut it just a little bit shorter because I had some that was looking, and then from me doing the install, like pulling her apart, I had a couple straggly ends right there. But other than that, you guys, I recommend this hair. I love it. I still like the fullness. I still like that it looks good. It's really bouncy. When I run, it be bouncing. I love that. It's not stiff. It's not stiff. I like that. I would say that this is a medium to low maintenance hair. There's been some nights where I literally threw it up and went to sleep. Didn't even wear my bonnet. And I cannot say that for a lot of crochet hairs, okay? I cannot say that. But this hair, I went to sleep several nights. Now, this is probably why it looks a little bit more worn than usual, because I just threw it back, went to sleep, no bonnet. And now I'm not saying do that. Don't do that. Do your routine. Throw your hair up in a bonnet to prolong it. Don't do like me. But I did that. I low-key got away with it. And I recommend this hair. I like it. I didn't always have to do the routine, and I like that. That's why I say it's a medium to low maintenance. A little bit more on the lower maintenance end, because like I said, I went those nights without the bonnet, and we like that because I like styles that I don't have to put a lot of effort into, which is why I always gravitate more towards crochet braids, like the actual braids or twist. I love those. And it's also why I always keep my hair put up, because I ain't gotta comb it, I ain't gotta slick it back. This hair, throw it off, take the bonnet off, refresh it a little bit in the morning, and I can go. Because I'm a mom, I'm getting up, I'm dropping the kids at school, I'm coming back, I'm cooking, I'm working on content, and I'm trying to do all this stuff. And these styles, especially this one, hey, it allows me to do that, you know what I'm saying? And I can appreciate that so much. So I recommend this hair. It's a medium to low maintenance hair. It's simple. I really like that, y'all. Like, so quick, so simple, so easy. Definitely recommend it. Like I said, this is Outre Bahamas curls. The hair will be linked down below if you're interested in purchasing it. It's flame retardant. This is a premium fiber hair, right? Yeah, so it's 100% premium fiber hair. It's flame retardant. We love it. I would try this hair again, but I want it longer. I love longer crochet hair. This hair did get wet in the shower accidentally, and it still managed to keep its okay, so we like that too. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really do hope y'all enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, leave me a like, leave me a comment. Did you try this hair? Did you like this hair? If you did, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, share this video. It really helps me out, and it lets YouTube know that you're interested and you loving my channel. All right, you guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate y'all.